Joulle kettle pot. The dual electric kettle is perfect for camping, RV trips, business trips, and other adventures where you need hot water. It's made of stainless steel and lets you control the temperature from 180 degrees to 220 degrees centigrade water. Boils in just 5 minutes. It can also handle more complex tasks like brewing coffee and tea, or even cooking ravioli and making popcorn. The Kettle has a power output of 500 watts. It works with regular household plugs and generators, and you can get it for just KLYMIT RIDGELINE camp chairs. $102. The R-Line camping chair is so comfortable. It's great for sleeping. It's heavier than many others at about 1.3 kilogram, but it makes up for it with excellent stability and a high back crest with a foam headrest. Plus the chair's height is centimeter, making it perfect for lounging by the fire. According to the seller, to improve ventilation, the chair has built-in mesh panels. While it may look fragile, it supports up to 120 kilograms. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your beautiful camping spot. The RIDGELINE chair costs IGNIK gas growler $100 every year. 48 million propane tanks end up in landfills worldwide. Unfortunately, they're commonly used for outdoor cooking, but it's time for a greener option, says the IGNIK team. Why not switch to a reusable tank? That's exactly what they offer. The capacity varies by model, ranging from 3.4 to 75.7 L. A connecting hose is also included. The tanks come pre-purged from the factory, so they're ready to be filled, and they come packed in special cases for easy transport. Prices start at NOMAD Survival Multi-Tool $67.50. The NOMAD Multi-Tool is a unique product. It's both an everyday accessory and a perfect tool for survivalists. The NOMAD tool set is quite specific. Besides the classic can opener, it includes a fire starter, a flashlight, a compass, a bit holder, wrenches, a scraper, and other useful things. With the carabiner, you can easily attach the tool to your backpack or bag. All in all, for $35, the NOMAD is a pretty good WEALERS paper pots. Paper camping pots. It's not magic, just physics. The trick is to heat or cook the food with lots of water, like noodles or soup. The liquid in the open container reaches its boiling points and absorbs the excess heat, keeping the paper from going above 100 degrees centigrade. A company called WEALERS makes these, charging $11 for 4 paper. KINGCAMP pet tent deal. If you have a tent, your dog should have a playpen. Your pet will love having this new space to play and relax. It comes in 3 sizes based on your dog's weight. The small playpen is for dogs under 10 kilogram. The medium pen is for dogs up to 30 kilogram, and the large pen is for dogs over 30 kilograms. The playpen is durable because it's built on a steel frame and costs at least $46.50. ECOXGEAR SOUNDEXTREME. That's great for the outdoors even when using ATVs, boats, or golf carts. The SAB 26 model is resistant to dust, dirt and water, offers 500 watt of power and runs for 20 hours on a single charge. But the best feature is ECOCast. If your camping neighbors also have a sound extreme, you can combine them into one system, creating a network of up to 50 devices. However, each SCB26 will cost you $400. The WEYLAND tracker knife is GRAYL Water Purifier, a new pinnacle in portable versatility. That's the way the makers describe the one-press bottle designed for fishermen, hunters, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts. It costs $220. To see why it's worth the price, just look at what it can do with the one press. You can collect water from a nearby stream, filter it, and then use it. To cook dinner, the one press even doubles as a saucepan. The filter can process 246 liter and removes not only microplastics, pesticides, and heavy metals, but also oil, rotavirus, and other harmful substances. The bottle holds 710 milliliter, weighs 570 gram, and has a titanium body. They definitely weren't amazing with that description. SOUNDEXTREME is a sound bar. WEYLAND tracker knife. Versatile, it can be used as a hunting knife, a survival weapon, or a bushcraft tool. Its innovations start with the sheath, which lets you carry the knife on your hip or behind your back. The makers chose 65 mm steel, a carbon alloy from China, used in car suspension springs. The overall length of the knife is 20.9 cm, with a blade length of 15 cm, and the handle is made of fiberglass. The knife costs $75. OZTRAIL Blockout Tent. Pots. Welcome to Dorf. This German city celebrated World Youth Day in a big way. With a 15-meter tall tent, it wasn't an easy task. A team of 40 people worked for a week to set it up, but the result was aggressive, with a bell even installed on one of the tent towers. The view from the top must have been amazing. However, such a big tent isn't practical for a trip, as you'll hardly find a team of 40 to set it up. A better option is the fast frame Blockout Lumos 12P. It's the only 4-room tent on the market here. With the fast frame system, it sets up in minutes and can accommodate up to 12 people. If you like to sleep during the day, this tent is worth considering. The Blockout lining blocks up to 95% of light and can reduce the interior temperature by 10 degrees centigrade. In some cases, the tent is priced at about $11,000.